What's going on, everyone? Hope you're doing well. You like my shirt? Realtor, hashtag Realtor. If you don't believe me, just go on YouTube, type in top Chicago realtors, and your boy, CJ Baker, #1, baby. So welcome to part 2 on how to make sure that your offer gets accepted in this extremely competitive seller's market. So tip number 2. When you're filling out the contract, you are going to see an option whether you can buy the house as is. Now I know what you're saying, oh CJ, that's freaking scary. Why would I want to do that? What if there's something wrong with the property? I don't want to be stuck with it if there's something wrong. Well, good news, you still have the right to an inspection. Okay, so you're going to have the inspection, and if there's too many problems with the property, you have the right to cancel the contract. And ultimately, if there's that much wrong with the property, you probably don't want it anyways. So if a seller's looking at 2 different offers to come in and they're relatively the same, and yours says it's being bought as is versus the other person, it's not as is, who do you think they're gonna pick? That gives you a lot of leverage. It gives you the upper hand. Okay, so there's a lot of things you can do just in writing out your contract that's gonna make your offer look a lot more appealing. So tip number 1, we said yesterday, don't be asking for a home warranty that the seller covers. Tip number 2 today, write your offer as is. And a little bonus tip for my sellers out there, don't ever list your property as is. Unless it's a foreclosure, there's no reason to put as is. You know, if the inspection report comes back and they want to fix X, Y, Z, you can say no, but don't promote the fact that you're not willing to negotiate. Stay tuned for tomorrow, tip number 3. All right, good luck you guys out there looking for homes and selling your homes. It's a hot market. You don't have a real estate broker that you're working with currently, please reach out to me. I'd love to help you and anyone you know that's getting ready to buy or sell a home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your chance to win a brand new Toyota Corolla. Just kidding, but like and subscribe.